Hello, friends. Welcome to Mr. Ryan's biology class. So let's get started. First of all, what does biology mean? Biology is the study of life. Bio means life. Logy means the study of. So biology is the study of life. Now, what are the characteristics of living things? These are the characteristics that all living things share, and they must meet all these requirements. So let's begin. First of all living things are made up of cells. Okay? All living things are made up of cells. So for an example, the coronavirus is not made up of a cell. So it is not considered a living thing. All living things reproduce, and they can do this in two ways. In sexual reproduction, cells from two parents unite to form the first cell of a new organism, or they can do it with asexual reproduction. That's where a single organism produces offspring identical to itself. Now, the word asexual reproduction, it's really kind of good to pay attention to words in biology. The prefix a usually means without. So if you have asexual reproduction, that means without sex. If you have abiotic, and since we learned that bio means life, abiotic would mean without life. So it would be something that's not living. So again, reproduce, you have sexual reproduction, and you have asexual reproduction. All living things are based on a universal genetic code. And that genetic code that we're talking about is written in a molecule called DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which we will talk in greater detail as the class progresses. All living things grow and develop. Well, we talked about living things being able to reproduce. Well, organisms will also grow and then develop and mature. So all living things will grow and develop. Think of yourself. When you were a little kid, you grew. Flowers start out as a seed. They grow. All living things grow and develop. All living things obtain and use materials and energy. Life requires matter that provides raw materials, nutrients, and energy. The combination of chemical reactions through which an organism builds up or breaks down materials is called metabolism. So what does your body do with the food it takes in, and how does it use that food to make energy? Okay, that's what we're talking about humans at this point in time. All living things respond to their environment. Okay, they all respond to a stimuli. Okay, that's they respond to a signal in their environment. Like, for example, if you have a flower sitting on your desk and there's a window next to it, the flower will tend to grow towards the sunlight. Okay, so all living things will grow and respond to their environment. All living things maintain a stable internal environment, and this is called, a word you should learn, homeostasis. Homeostasis is where living things maintain the stable internal environment. So what does that mean? That means, for example, your body temperature should always be close to 98.6. And your body, if it's cold outside, will try to maintain its warmth. If it's hot outside, it'll try to cool down. If your body doesn't have enough water, it will want to get more water. Okay, so that make sure you understand what homeostasis is. It means to maintain a stable internal environment. All living things change over time. And another word for this is evolution. Taken as a group, living things evolve, and they're all linked to a common origin.